Me and my pal. Yeah, we're gonna head out. It is gonna be day 3 of training with our new goat. Yesterday we just let her hang out with Norman. So I think that kind of was good. Okay, you have no idea what's happening here. Yeah, there's like flying dog. Yeah, this is every morning. Chipper! Chipper! Come on! Yeah. Crazy dog. All right, let's go. Let's go check out the animals. I got to feed yet, and then we'll do training. What you guys doing? What do you think, Norman? I know I can't open the door, honey. I know. That's a bummer because I'd like to let you guys go outside. But not till she feels comfortable. Yeah. She looks like she's liking you now. Out and about. Miss Pancake is helping during morning chores this morning. What do you think, Sauce? She doing a good job? I think she wants in there to get to that feed. That's what I think. Come on, Pancake, let's go. Pancake, let's go. Good morning, Sir Norman. What happened in here last night? Was there a fight? Their water is knocked over. Are you guys thirsty? What happened, Norman? Hey, little missy. What happened? Can you tell me? Nope, she's not gonna tell me. All right, we're gonna get this situation handled and taken care of. All right. Collecting eggs, and there she is. Does she? Okay. You want an egg? Here, come here. Hey, this is farm fresh. Here, let me crack it. Let me crack it. Here. Oh man, those are good shells. Woo! Here we go. Here we go. Here's the good stuff down here. Just in case you need to see. Yeah. All right. There we go, beautifuls. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Hey, you. Somebody biting on the drum there. Hey, you. I can't tell if that's Remington or Maverick. It is Maverick. This is Rosie and Iris here. Well, and hey, knock it off, Billy Bob. Come back here. It's okay. Come here, Iris. Come on, Iris. Okay, as I was saying, Iris right there is a trooper's sister. Yep. And last year she gave birth to that little dude right next to her, believe it or not. That is Maverick. Hi, kids. All right, we're just gonna swap out their water. Yoke. Norman, we're gonna swap your water. I know you wanna break out. There's no breaking out. You gotta stay with the pretty princess until I come in later, okay? Oh my goodness, what in the world happened, girls and boys? There's your water. I'll take this empty bucket. How are you doing, sweetheart? I'm gonna see you in a little bit. I go feed everybody, okay? Norman, you okay? Are you mad? She just wants to be buddies. Come on. Just out on the barnyard area, in the barnyard area, helping out with the chores. Yep. Helping or hindering with feeding? That is what we are asking the question. Right, Saucy Pants? There's Pancake. Not your food, kid. So skittish. Okay, now, finally. Okay, guys. She's right there. Be right back. I will be right back. What are you guys doing? Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Yeah. Norman. Come here, Norman. Hi, buddy. Hi. I should have fed the piglet something. You want some? Let's move it. Here we go. I'm moving you guys. Moving you guys over here. This was their safe zone. I don't know if that's a better angle. I'm not sure. I can't quite get everything. Come on, Norman. Come here. Come here, Norman. Come here, buddy. Noisy one here this morning. Hi, pretty girl. Come get you some. You want some? Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Hello. Hi, sweetheart. I know. Did Norman say it was okay? Oh, you did. Yay! that good? Yeah, see? We're all right. We're not too bad. That's a good girl. Yeah. Yay. Yay. What do you think of that? Norman, get out of the way, you camera hog. People see you all the time. Yes, they do. Don't argue with me. Yeah, they do. I know, and they love you. I know. Let me tell them so. That ear stuck. There you go. There she is. There she is. Closest I've ever gotten to her. Oh, you're going for the pocket. Norman. Hey, you can't just go for the pocket. You get a couple things. Hold on. Okay, I gotta go triple now. Okay, come over here. Come over here. Way over here. 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 She keeps getting on the back side of her. Norman, come here. Come here. Norman, come here. Same thing he's eating. You're doing good. You're doing so good. You coming for more? Alright, you can have that. You're such a good boy. You took good care of her last night. Yeah. Here's your hay situation. Bring in some fresh. Come on, baby. There's a little bit in there left. Here. Here, come up for the camera and show them what a pig you are. You're not going to share any of that with your little new girlfriend? Here. There she goes. Norman, you're in the way. We can't see her. Come here. Well, good boys. It's definitely like. Norman? Without you, buddy. I think I'm going to leave you in here for one more day. Okay? Will you be alright with that, sweet girl? Is he being good to you? Yeah, I think one more day, and then we'll go back on one-on-one with you and me. How's that sound? Yeah? I think we can do it. Yeah. I think you're going to be ready for that tomorrow. Not quite yet today. And Norman won't let me. I mean, she did. She came up to me. I'm real good at that. All right. Good job, baby girl. Good job, Norman. Thank you for babysitting for me, bud. Put the treats in my pocket. All right, here, bud. Okay. I'm just gonna walk out. I'm not gonna approach her, nothing. And we'll do more work tomorrow. Are you curious, little one, aren't you? Yeah. She's so cute. What do you think? Huh? Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Just kind of get up casually here. Just walk out. And that's awesome. She was bouncing off the walls. So very pleased with session number 3. Yep. She was seriously helping me during the feeding. Are you coming or are you inspecting? She's inspecting.